Girls, what happened to adrenaline last night? Insulin, what happened last night?
Well...
Insulin, you knew she had a date today.
Fine, I go to the stomach. I'll be back just hungry.
Attentional hormones, adrenaline is MIA.
Girls, adrenaline is gone. We're gonna go find him. Serotonin, yeah, you're in charge. Okay. Be happy.
I can do that. I'm on my own. Control room. Alright, I'm on my own. I'm serotonin. I can do anything. I have to get this girl ready for her date.
Is she ready yet?
Hi guys! No, she won't move without adrenaline.
Well, maybe you can come help me fix adrenaline.
Okay.
Dopamine, I guess you're in charge.
Guys, you can't leave me here alone. I'm not good on my own. Guys, where are you guys? How do I do this?
Too much sugar. I hate insulin.
Guys, I found him. He had a kidney. You know what was happening today? Get on. Serotonin. Please.
Attentional hormones, please report back to the control room at once. Dopamine has gone insane.
You let dopamine in charge.
Well, it's not my fault she couldn't handle being alone for 5 minutes. Come on, you need to get up. Seriously, Dopamine, you had one job.
I think you did well.
Okay, control room.
Alright, let's go.
Come on, you need to get up. We've been waiting for this for months. Come on.
Hey ladies, need any assistance?
Go away, testosterone. We don't need you.
Okay, I'll see you ladies later.
Bye. That's it.
Oh, that's what I needed. Let's get this puppy rolling for a date. Let's do it.
Chat arriving, T-minus 1 minute and 30 seconds.